Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and I'll be doing the signed and some questions today, and I've put the question in the description box.
In the second question, the given equation is ax plus by plus kx plus ly into dy by dx equals to 0. Now this can also be written as ax plus by into dx plus kx plus ly into dy is equals to 0. Now we'll go over a concept. That let u be a function of x and y, then the derivative of u will be du will be equals to the partial derivative of u with respect to x into dx plus the partial derivative of u with respect to y into dy. Now for a first order ODE of the form mxy dx plus nxy dy equals to 0 is called an exact differential equation if the differential form is exact. Now this is called a differential form. It will be exact if du will be equals to 0. Therefore u will have to be a constant, that is c. U will have to be a constant c. Now comparing these two equations, we can get that del u by del x is equals to mxy and del u by del y is equals to nxy. Now to test for the exactness of the solution of the equation, we can do this, that we know m is equals to del u by del x, so del m by del y is equals to del square u by del x del y. Also we know that del u by del y equals to n, so del n by del x is equals to del square u by del x del y. Now for any equation, the test of exactness can be done by proving that del m by del y is equals to del n by del x, since these two are same. Now we'll go to our question. Now we'll go to our normal question. The solution, the equation given above is ax plus by into dx plus kx plus ly into dy is equals to 0. Now here m is equals to ax plus by and n is equals to kx plus ly. Now to test the exactness of this equation, we need to del m by del y is equals to del n by del x. Now we'll put the values, so del by del y of ax plus by is equals to del by del x of kx plus ly. So b is equals to k. This is the required condition for this equation to be exact. Okay, now for the solution of the equation, we'll use the following method, that u will be equals to integration of m with respect to x plus k which is a function of y. This is used instead of a constant. This is used for the constant as a constant of integration. Now u can be found out by integral of m, putting the value ax plus by dx plus ky. Now u is equals to ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ky. Now doing the partial derivative of u with respect to y, we get this will be 0, this will be bx plus dk by dy. We also know that del u by del y is also equals to n equals to kx plus ly. Since b is equals to k, so this is also equals to bx plus ly. Now comparing these two, we get that bx plus dk by dy is equals to bx plus ly. We get that dk by dy is equals to ly, dk equals to ly dy. So by integration we get the value of k as ly square by 2. Now putting in the above equation, we get the solution as u is equals to ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 is equals to c. This is the solution. Now this can be checked by putting the value in the differential equation, in differential form du equals to del u by del x dx plus del u by del y dy. Du is equals to del by del x of ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 dx plus del by del x del by del y of ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 into dy. Now doing this, we get that du is equals to ax plus by into dx plus kx plus, since b is equals to k, so kx plus ly into dy. Hence proved, hence equals to 0, hence proved.